this video, I am going to give you the small information, that means practical, called as the experiment. This experiment is with a subject called as the physics. In this physics topic is heat. You know that always heat air rises up because of its light in weight nature. Because it is very light in weight, like helium. It is also very light in weight. So the helium balloons fly up. Because in the same way, even the hot air is also very light in weight. So you know that the hot air balloons, here down there will be a lamp and up there will be plastic cover. This lamp will be burning, it will produce the hot air. Those all hot air will be collected in this cover. Because of this hot air, always hot air rises up. Because of this nature, this flying lantern will fly away in the sky. But now we don't have the lantern. Now we are making our own lantern. No, don't worry. We are not going to buy from the shop. We are going to make our own lantern. That is not even of 50 paise. That means we are making it from the newspaper with simple science. Let's get started. Now we came in. Now I said you that we will need only a newspaper. Yes, only a newspaper. Now, not so much. It should be small. But we have to. This newspaper is in the rectangular form. We have to change it to the square. To square we are going to change it. We have to turn it to the square. We have to fold. Now I turned it into the square. You can see this square. Now just fold all the corners. First, before this important step, that is crush it, because it will make easier to fold. We have to design this we have to prepare this hot air balloon that it should hold the hot air. It should contain the hot air. Now we are going to fold this into the hot air balloon shape. We have to hold the two corners and fold it in this way. And now it looks in this way. Now turn these two corners to this way. In this way we have to fold it. Inside it should hold the air. Yeah. Next, at last, you got it right. This is a square. We have to hold this corner and down corner. Any two corners. Any two opposite corners. We have to hold this and fold it in this way. The next step is we have to hold the side one and join to this. Inside it should be some place. And one more important thing, if it is in the rectangular form, it will never fly. Because of the leaking of the hot air from the side, it will not fly. And even a small space should also not, that means small gap should also not be here. This much also, if it is gap, here only this much hole is present, means also it won't fly. First attempt it won't fly. Say 2-3 times you try, it will fly. You can use anything. You can use this plaster or you can use this. We are going to use the stapler to join it. You can use even plaster or thread and roll it. Just we have to pin it. We have to join all the four sides. Now our hot air balloon is ready to fly. Now I am going to explain you how it flies. Now you can see how it is. Now see here, in this space, here we have space inside. Now how to fly it? We have to burn it. We have to burn with the matchstick in all the four sides at the same time. At that time, all these newspapers will burn and the hot air will be collected inside this gap. In this gap, the hot air will collect. From this hot air, the hot air always moves up. Because of this, it moves up, but we won't get it back. It will turn into ash in the sky.